Hello. Hello, how can I help you? We want English speaking course. Oh, please take your seat first. Welcome. So it seems like you both are friends. Yeah. So how are you both? We are fine. Okay. Do you want basic course or advanced course? We want basic. Basic. Okay. So what's your name now? Arya. My name is Arya. And your? Manjari. So can I take your English test first so that I give you a suitable batches in which you are comfortable? Yeah. So, tell me something about you first. My name is Aya and I am from Delhi, and I completed my 12th and pursuing second year of graduation. Okay, and what's your father's name and his occupation? And my father is a lawyer. Okay, and his name? And his name is Umesh. Okay, that's great now. And your name? My name is Manjari. I'm from Rajasthan, but I'm currently living in Delhi. My father name is Karein. Okay, and my father have a private job. Okay, so it's after taking your English test, it seems like you have a English knowledge about English, like little bit, yeah. Okay, but you both having confidence. Yes. Am I right? Yeah. So we give you all facilities you want. They will provide you all facilities you want, and you need it. Okay. So there is a 6 months course, and in which we provide you basic grammar and basic things and advanced things also. What is the difference in basic and advanced? So in basic and advanced, there is a difference. In basic, we give you we teach you basic things like tenses, active, passive, okay, sentence formation, and on the other side, in advanced, we give you we teach you advanced things like vocabulary, how to enhance your vocabulary, confidence enhancement, and fear removal. In advanced, we also provide you lots of activities. Okay, I will explain you after that. So there is a 6 months course, basic and advanced both. Okay, so in basic we provide you a basic and advanced grammar and sentence formation, idioms and phrases. There are 3,000 idioms and 1,000 phrases we teach you. We will teach you. Okay. We teach you. And vocabulary enhancement. Okay, in advance, on the other side, there is a confidence. On the other hand, there is we enhance your confidence, we improve your confidence, and remove your fear and hesitation. The mostly students are hesitated and has a fear to speak English, to speak English. So there is we provide you, we remove your fear, and we definitely show you that you remove your fear. If you want to take demo class, then you can take. But firstly, only for 2 days. Firstly, I want to explain. So there is a 6 days batches we provide you, Monday to Friday, in which there are 1 hour 30 minutes batch we provide. Okay. But on Saturday there is a special batch. Okay. On Saturday batch, our whole day is divided. Our whole day divided in 2 parts. First is 9 to into 2 parts. First is 9 to 12, and second is 6 to 8. Okay. So 6 to 8:30. 6 to 8:30. So, in both batches, the students of whole day or whole batches come and interact with each other and do discussion and do debates and like many things, like many activities and advanced activities was done this on Saturday. And if we talk about extracurriculum activity, so there are GD. Are you familiar with GD? Little bit. On GD, we give you a topic and you have to discuss with group. Okay? or debate. You are familiar with debate? Yes. Those are two teams against and favor. Okay. Extern for is activity where we give you a topic on the spot. There is a topic on the spot, and you have to explain it, and you have to put your views on it. Okay. Or telephonic is the activity where you have to do call to make call with any service center or any others like loan, a bank loan. You have to do conversation with a strange people or with a strange person. Okay, or role play. Are you familiar with role play? Yes. So, like there is a two character, receptionist and guest, or teachers or parents, teachers or students. So in role play, we give you a chance to how to change your English speaking level, and how to improve your English speaking level. And there is extra curriculum activities also, like public speaking. We take our students for public speaking. Like see our photos. We take our students to Rajasthan for public speaking. And we also give them. This is free of cost. This is all are free of cost. Extracurriculum activities are free of cost, ma'am. Okay. So on Rajghat, we also give them medals like gold medal, silver medal, and bronze medal. And trophies also. We distributed them, and we also distribute them, and we also give them money prize also. Okay. So there is a metro and bus discussion also, in which we take our students on the bus, or there is only purpose to remove their hesitation and remove their fear of public. Okay. And we also take our students on cafeteria, so that they debate here or discuss their topic. And personality development course we provide you, in which we teach you how to do grooming. Okay. And interview, we also enhance your interview skills and teach you how to answer the questions which will be asked in interview. And panel talks.
We train you for job.
Flip talks. Are you familiar with flip talks? No. So the flip talks is the activity where, like, you have a topic, like for instance, social media, and you are speaking on social media, and suddenly we tell you flip. Sir tells you flip, and you have to change your points while speaking, and you have to change your points while speaking. Like if you are speaking on disadvantages of social media, so suddenly you have to tell about advantages of social media. Okay. So, and after that we also check your facial expression, like how to show happy, how to show sad, how to show serious, how to show anger, like all that. Okay, I think that's enough.
Playing.
We also take our students for playing on park.
Okay.
In the park, like cricket, football, badminton, and many others. Okay. And there is also lots of parties in our campus. Occasionally. Not regularly, it's occasionally. Okay. We also train our students for jobs. So do you both want to teach English for job purpose or for studies purpose? For study purpose. Yeah. Both. Yeah. It's essential in future also, na? So they want to ask something. What is fee structure? Okay, the fee structure.
Yeah, of course, madam. Why not?
Of course, ma'am. Why not? So we provide you whole activities in only 5,000 rupees. But you both know very well there is a Makar Sankranti occasion. So we provide you also a discount of 500 and your fees is 4,500. But you both are coming and you both want to take admission right now. So I will give you a extra discount and your fees will be 4,000. Okay, so but if you want to take this advantage, so you have to register right now. But first I want to ask my parents take permission.
We will have to discuss it.
We will discuss about paying. I understand. So then you can make phone calls. No. I want ask face to face. Okay, you want ask face to face. So because they will pay, no? Okay, I understand. I understand. So okay, then it's okay. But there is also advantage. Like you only have to register with 100 rupees. Okay, if your parents in future, your parents reject your refuse refuse you to take English classes, then I will return back to 100. I will return back. But okay. You don't tell the timing. Yeah. So which I think morning is best. Morning batch. Morning batch will go. Okay. Then I'll give you 10:30 batch. 10:30 to 12. Are you both comfortable with it? Yeah. Because it's our new batch. It started from Monday. So it is great, na? Yeah. So you have to register with 100 rupees, ma'am. If your parents refuse your teaching refuse you that you can't go there, or there's lots of parents who told
If your parents
denied, then I will return back to it. You come and just told me that my parents doesn't allow.
you just tell me.
You just stay. Can I have your contact number? Sure, ma'am. Darte.
Because I am providing you card.
I'll give you a visiting card. Yes. Okay. So please, can you give me your? Can I have your contact number? Yeah. Yes. Manjari, na? Yeah. And your. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to register right now? Yeah. Yes. Okay. That's great. Take my 100. Try the season. Take my 100 rupees. Okay. Okay. Now your both faces.
You are registered here.
Now you both are registered here and you both have to pay only 3,900 rupees. Okay, tomorrow we will pay. Yes. But you can also give it 3,900 rupees in two parts. Okay, if you have any problem. If you have any problem. Otherwise you can give it. An installment. Okay, so I'll wait your response. Okay.
I will wait for the response.
I will wait for your installed response, and can I get this paper? Oh, sure. Why not? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Most welcome. I will wait for you both. Bye.